In the heart of the jungle, where legends unfold, a lion roars, fearless and bold. On the savannah, where mighty beasts thrive.
AI tools have revolutionized content creation on YouTube, with creators now utilizing them for various purposes, including news presentations, children's animations, and more. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to leverage AI to create a music channel effortlessly. No singing or songwriting skills is required. Simply input your song idea and the AI will generate the lyrics and the beats for you. Plus, if you are interested in creating a faceless music channel, this opportunity is perfect for you. If this sounds like something you are interested in, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. The first thing you are going to do is to open your browser and search for this website, suno.ai, right here, and you want to hit enter. Wait for a while for it to load, and the website is going to load like this. And once the website is open, you want to click on make a song right up here in order for us to be able to make a song, and wait for a while for the site to load. Once it's opened, these are their default songs. You can click here to play it to see if you will like it. So the next thing we are going to do is to create the song. So to be able to create a song, we need to create an account with them. So click here and then you are going to sign in with your Google account. So click on Google. This page is going to open, so go ahead and click on your Google account, click on it and just click continue. Now we are back to the first page. The good thing about this is the AI is going to create the song for you, so there is no copyright and you don't even have to know how to sing. So click on create and this page is going to pop up, and right here is where you are going to describe your song. You know this is AI and you want to be as descriptive as possible. Whatever you are doing with AI, you have to make sure your description is very clear. So what I'm typing right now is telling the AI to create a song about elephants and a lion in a rock style. That is what I want. Just create a song about elephants and lion in a rock style. Then you hit create. So this is going to take like 30 seconds for it to load, and our song is ready. Let's play it and see what we have. On the savannah, where danger lurks. This is my first song. I'll play the second one and see. Please note that you can always generate another song if the two songs you are given is not okay with you. Just give the AI instruction and it will follow.
In the heart of the jungle, where legends unfold, a lion roars, fearless and bold.
I prefer the second one because it's talking about lion and jungle. So right to this corner, you can see the lyrics of the song. These are the lyrics of the song. So if you want to copy it, you can copy it. Click on these three dots and click on download and download the audio. After generating our audio and downloading it, the next thing we are going to do is to generate the character. You will now head on to your browser again and search for Leonardo AI. I've made a video about this before, but for the sake of those who are coming across my channel for the first time, what you're now going to do is after searching, you want to log in. You want to create an account with them with your Gmail account, just the way we did the other time. Select your Gmail, click on continue, and this page is going to pop up. You are going to type in your username. After typing your username, you want to choose what are your interests. Right here, you can choose as many as you want. So I'm just going to go with advertising, education, and art, and maybe video game. So just pick the one you like and also check this to confirm that you are over 18. You click on next, just cancel this, and this page is going to pop up. Now we are on the first screen. So the good thing about Leonardo AI is that every day they are going to be giving you 150 coins to be able to download all your images. So if you scroll down here, you will see all their default images. If you like anyone, you can click on it and download it. So the next thing we are going to do is to now generate our image. So click on image generator right here, and this page is going to load, and We are now at the screen where we'll generate our images. These are all the images I've generated in the past because I have an account with them. I'm just going to modify this and create something out of it. I will leave this prompt in the description box, so if you need it, you can always go there to copy it and use it for yourself. So after typing everything, we are now going to select the number of images you want the AI to generate. So I'm going to click on 4, and it's going to use 8 coin to generate my images. So click on it and it's going to start generating. It will load for a while, so just hold on. I know the music we generated was about animals, and right here I'm generating human images. I'm just trying to show you different options that you can use. You can either generate animal images, human images, cartoon, or any type of image that you want at all. Just give it a prompt. Or it depends on your kind of song. So after generating the images like this, the next thing is to add motion to it. Click on generate motion video and make sure you don't increase this above 7 so your images are not distorted. If your music is like an R&B song, you want to leave it at maybe 4 or 5 so the motions are not too fast. You leave it at public and you hit on generate. And right here you can see Leonardo is going to use 25 coins to generate motion for this image. Now go ahead and do the same for the rest of your images and generate motion for all of them. The 150 coin they gave us initially should be enough for your project, but if you exhaust all the 150 coin, you can upgrade if you want. I'm just going to fast forward this video right now to generate motion for all my images. So the next thing I want to show you is how I generated those lion and elephant images. This is the prompt that I use up here. So just go ahead and input this prompt. I will leave it in the description and hit generate. So all these images are going to be generated for you. Once you are satisfied with all the images, go ahead and generate motion for all of them, just the way I'm doing it now. I showed you earlier, but if you do not understand it, you can follow this along. Make sure it's not above 7 and leave it in public and hit generate. Now the motions are ready for all my images. You can click on it right now to expand it. You are going to see what we've done so far. So you can hit on this to download it, or you cancel that and go back, click on this mp4 and click on it, and your image is going to be downloaded. So do the same for the rest of the images, add motion to it and download all of them. After downloading all, the next thing we are going to do is to add effects, and we are going to be using CapCut. I've imported mine already. If you want to import yours, just click on import and it's going to open up the folder where you've saved all your videos. So select all your videos and click on open, and it's going to add it to your screen. So right here I have different type of animations. All these you are seeing here are animations. This one is animation, this one is animation, and also this one is animation, and all these are effects. Let me quickly show you all the animations that I use. This first one, I'm clicking on the image. I added two type of animation. So the first one is this one right here, which is going to animate in, and I added animate out, which is this second one. Those are the two animations I added to it, and you can see the effect on the screen like that. So for this second one too, this is the animation that I added. I animated it in. To be honest, basically all you need to do is to add animations, add effects, add lights. Just be creative with it. I'm not going to tell you this is the perfect animation or this is the perfect lightning you need to use. It depends on your kind of music. It depends on your kind of inspiration, in the inspiration you have. So add your transitions. For this particular transition, I added a light transition. So you click on transitions, and this is the light I added. So you click on it and drag it to that middle. You first of all split your image. Okay, I'm deleting it right now. So you drag it and drop it there, and your transition is going to be added to it. So you can increase it here or you decrease it. It all depends on you. Just be creative with it. That's all. After that, you want to add your music. So click on this plus sign and the music is going to be added to where you are editing, and you want to trim the music to match your video, the length of your videos. So move this to the end, click on the music and click on split. It's going to split it and delete it at the same time. And at the end of the day, we should have something like this.
In the heart of the jungle, where legends unfold, a lion roars, fearless and bold. On the savannah, where mighty beasts thrive.
So let me know in the comment section if you are able to come up with something at all with these two. And this will be all for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. And if there's any question, you are confused with anything, you have a video request you want me to do, kindly drop it in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond to you as soon as possible. Bye for now, and I will see you next time.